Today I am going to tell you about Buildship versus Xano. Buildship is a DevOps and cloud automation platform designed for automating SIG pipelines, cloud deployments, and infrastructure management. It offers a web-based interface with support for YAML, API scripting, and cloud service integrations, making it ideal for DevOps teams looking to streamline software deployment. Unlike traditional workflow automation tools, Buildship is focused on infrastructure as code, enabling teams to manage cloud environments efficiently. However, it is a proprietary platform and does not offer a self-hosted option. The learning curve is moderate since users need to be familiar with DevOps practices and cloud automation. On the other hand, Xano is a backend as a service bus platform that allows developers to build scalable backends without writing complex server-side code. It provides a no-code API builder, integrated database management, and customizable business logic using JavaScript. Xano is designed for developers who want to create and deploy backends quickly without managing server infrastructure. While it offers powerful API integration capabilities, it is not built for SIG or cloud infrastructure automation like Buildship. Instead, it caters to app developers, startups, and businesses that need a scalable backend without worrying about server management. The learning curve is easier compared to Buildship, but understanding API logic and database structuring is still necessary for effective use.